Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of WordPress series, and in this video we are going to see that how we can add a video to our blog post. So for that, first of all, go to our WordPress site and then see the required ways. So first of all, let's look at the login page and fill your password. So now you can see that we are on our WordPress dashboard. First of all, go to post area and then click on add new. Okay, when you just click on add new, you will be able to see a new post. So now we are going to work with video. So for this we are going to write our title as video. Okay, now go and publish this page first of all. Okay, now done. Okay, so let's see how our page appears right now. Okay, so this is how our page appears right now. Now we want to add a video in our blog post. So first of all, get a video URL that we want to show in our blog post. So just go to YouTube and get any of the video you want to show over there. So go on share option and then click to copy URL. Okay, then go back to your post, and here you are able to see an option that is type and choose a block. Whenever you click on this plus symbol, you will be able to add blocks from here. So for now we are going to write our URL that we just copied. So paste that URL over here. Okay. So it's automatically select that we have choose an YouTube blog. So now if I publish this thing, then I will be able to see this video in my blog post. So let's scroll a little down. If I just play over here, I will be able to watch this video on my blog post. And the second thing, what you can do from this, you just need to click on this YouTube text. You will directly redirect to your YouTube homepage, and the same video will open in your YouTube section. Okay, and the good thing is that if the user come and watch the video from here, the your watch time will be counted in YouTube guidelines. Okay, so let's see the second method, that how we can add our YouTube video. Okay, for the next method, we are going to embed that URL. Okay, so we have already copied the URL of that video, so just paste that URL and click on embed. When I just click on embed, I'm able to see this video. Okay, so this is how we can embed any of the video in our blog post. And if we just go to our page and refresh it, then we will be able to see two videos in this section. Okay, so here you can see we have two videos. The first one is directly using YouTube blog, and the second from using an embed blog. Okay, now see the third thing, that is by using iframe tag, which is an HTML tag. So this time we are going with HTML text, or you can see by having a code line. So click on blog option, and you can choose code or custom HTML. Out of both, you can choose any one of them. Write your HTML code over here and then click on update. Okay, let's go back to our site and refresh the page one more time. This time you will be able to see three videos. And in case of iframe, we are able to see the video which is little bit large in comparison with the others. Even its height, its width is similar to them. Okay, now what if you want to change their height? So to change the height, you need to go here, and from here you can easily change the height of that video, and from here you can edit its width. Okay, so click on update and go back to website and see how it appears now. So if we see, the height of the video is now decreased. Okay, so this is how you can use these three methods to add a video in your blog post. Okay, I hope you are able to get my point. So in these three ways, you can easily embed any of the video in your WordPress site. Even one more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to add any other website to your site, so you can use iframe tag for that thing. So let's take an example for that as well. So we are going to edit the same post. If you want to show any website instead of a YouTube video, and even you can show any image, by using iframe tag. Okay, so right now we are going to show a website over here, and the website name is brtackle.com, and please try to give a proper URL of that website or that image and that video. Okay, otherwise it will not show you the proper results. Okay, this is the URL of our website, so go and update it. Let's see how it appears now. If I just refresh the page, then it will show me another website on this page. Okay, now you can see that we are able to see another site on our site. So this is how we use iframe tag to add others content to our website. Okay, I hope this video helped you to learn how you can add any video to your blog post. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.